You can't wait here for too long. My job is to write out tickets.
I didn't know that. My back was.
It's all okay. You just give me. You have Cash App?
No.
You don't have Cash App? That's a bigger fine. I could buy you a house.
I already have a boyfriend.
Looking for. All right, then you already doing some one. You need a husband, not a boyfriend. Hey, what you say?
Is this your car?
Yeah, why?
It's been here for too long. I'm gonna have to write you a ticket. I'm sorry.
What the fuck? You can take that shit.
Nope.
Don't touch my fucking car. Don't touch that shit.
We at Walmart, you understand, with Brazy and my cousin. More content.
Arrived.
Every day we grinding. This 30 shit finna work. Y'all just gotta stay focused. Stay on the mind. Like, you gotta stay certain. You know what I'm saying? Like, we out here uploading every week. We match our uploading twice a week. Are they beefing on here? Yeah, they trolling. I was about to say. I was about to escape.
Excuse me, miss. Is this your car?
Yeah, why?
It's been here for too long. I'm gonna have to write you a ticket. I'm sorry.
What the fuck? What do you mean you have to write me a ticket?
You park here for long. So you can't park here for long. I'll give you a ticket. This your car? You can't be parked here for long. You can't park here for long.
Sir, I seen you've been sitting here for about 25 minutes, so I'm gonna have to write a ticket for loitering. Yeah, I see it. I don't know, this is my job. Like, I'm supposed to come out here. If I see people sitting for 25 plus, I write them this ticket, put it there. You heard what I said.
What the fuck you mean you gotta write me a ticket? I'm not taking no
What's your name?
ticket.
What's your name?
You're not getting my name.
I'm getting your name and I'm giving you a ticket. How do I tell you? All right, we got the license plate. I'm getting a ticket and I'm putting it on your windshield. All right.
I don't want to. You can take that shit.
Nope.
Don't touch my fucking car. Don't touch that shit.
That's another ticket. How do I tell you? That's another ticket.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo.
You doing the Walmart by yourself? What you doing the Walmart by yourself?
I'm trying to find
I might be the person looking for the fun. What's your name?
Why do you say that?
I seen you from all the way back there. Like, I haven't seen you.
What's up?
What's your name?
Crystal? Yeah.
Let me get your number.
I'm married. I could give you my Instagram.
Alright, let me get your Instagram. How long you been married?
About a year now.
Y'all ain't serious.
How do you say that?
Y'all ain't serious. I'm working on that.
Alright.
Mission accomplished. She's married and gave her Instagram. It's over. I just see you walk around like, why you walk around by yourself at Walmart? You girls shop together? No. You don't need no man?
I already have a boyfriend.
Your man don't got what I got. I could buy you a house.
I already have a boyfriend.
Looking for. All right, then you already doing some one. You need a husband, not a boyfriend. Hey, what you say? I should get paid for this shit. People be out here sleeping. Homeless people be out here sleeping in cars and stuff. So we can't like. I'm like, oh, you're not homeless? Why you guys do
I feel like you really got a job too.
that racist? You didn't care that. You didn't care that. I think he done this before. He done this before.
Hello, sir. I seen you've been sitting here for about 25 minutes, so I'm gonna have to write a ticket for loitering. Yeah, I see it. I don't know, this is my job. Like, I'm supposed to come out here. If I see people sitting for 25 plus, I write them this ticket, put it there. It's on a laptop?
I'm on a laptop doing work. It's a City of Fort Lauderdale.
Oh.
City of Fort Lauderdale.
So what's that?
I mean, any violation that's supposed to be happening, I do the court enforcement, see? Nighttime court enforcement. So I'm working.
So why did they have me come out here and do this?
No, not for your parking lot. I I do the entire city.
No, I'm just joking around, buddy. I'm just joking around. We're on camera over here, bro. Yo, you're great, bro. You're great, bro.
You good?
Looks like well,
You might. I mean,
my wife's here. She was here. She's a supervisor in that. So her car broke down. I just can't check over.
oh, her car broke down, so I gotta write her a ticket. So is that should I write her a ticket or just let her go?
For what? She's at work. She's working down the car.
All right, man. Be safe then. Don't be sleeping out here. I don't know what you people be doing. Forget it, man. Just don't be sleeping out here, man. I'm just doing my job.
How you doing your job?
I'm giving people tickets who out here staying out here. You can't be out.
Did you see me? You see me out on my right here?
Do I have to give you a ticket, sir?
Oh, I wish you would give me a ticket, man.
I will give him a ticket for just disturbance of peace.
Yeah?
Yeah, is that not disturbance?
I think he deserves a ticket.
Exactly. So let me go handle him then. Let me go do my damn job. Yo, your music too loud. Your music too loud. You have to keep it going, alright?
See, I'm alright there now.
You hear me?
See, I'm alright there.
Alright, let me give you one ticket there, one Ross ticket. He ignored your shit out.
Find a white person, because they'll get
This
scared.
nigga ego the ticket. I'm gonna start hitting the police today.
It's in the parking lot. I'm giving tickets out. Yeah, can't be doing no drugs. No drugs in the parking lot. Drugs? No.
¿Qué es eso?
You don't speak English? You speak English.
Él habla inglés, yo no hablo inglés. You got acento.
No. I'm stopping y'all from doing drugs. I'm not selling drugs.
¿Quieres drogas?
I'm done. I'm done. I don't need. Bro, he's trolling me, and I'm supposed to be trolling him. I'm not getting.
¿Quieres drogas?
Yeah, he keep repeating the same shit.
Maricón.
No, tú eres maricón.
No, he spoke English. I should really give your ass a ticket. Yeah, you have license and registration?
My husband has my license in his wallet.
Cause I've seen you here for a while. You loitering.
Oh, I'm waiting for my husband and son.
Yeah, but you can't wait here for too long. My job is to write out tickets.
I didn't know that. My back was
It's
hurting.
okay. You just give me. You have Cash App?
No.
You don't have Cash App? That's a bigger fine.
Oh my God, you scared me for a
No,
minute.
it's okay. I'm joking with you.
Okay.
Man, I gotta write you a ticket. For looking too fine out here. What you doing here by yourself with no man looking this fine? Let me get your number, man. Write your number down. Forgot your number?
No.
Alright, next time you don't be just fine walking out here, I'm gonna give you a bigger ticket, alright? I'm gonna take care of you. Are y'all a couple?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna ask you on the date. You charge or can I buy a date? How expensive? I can afford a little. You know what I'm saying? Like, what can 20 get me? Not much. Alright, you a lucky man. If you don't want him, you can do better. You can do better. That's all I'm like. You can do better. I like that little wink and say. I told her she can do better. I told her she. Yo, Can I get in the picture? I want to get in the picture with you. Let me get in the picture. Take a picture of us. Let me get in the picture. Papi, let me get in the picture.
Huh?
Take it, me and you. Okay.
But you have to use your phone.
I can't use your phone.
Because.
All right, he gonna take a picture. He gonna take a picture.
Oh, okay.
You want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Or you want money?
No, I don't need money.
Oh, you don't want money?
All right, me and you take a picture.
Oh, you want a picture?
No,
What do you mean no? She said yes. You cock blocking? You dead ass, bro? Come on, man. It's okay.
Let's go, bro. Beach vibe.
Bro, she said yes. She was so down to take a picture of me, bro. Nigga not really about that bitch for a fucking time. My nigga don't really, he really ain't pee for her. My bitch would have never, my bitch would have, you know what I'm saying? Second time.
Hey, you money, brother.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you, man. Shit. My fault, bro. Just throw this shit across fucking Walmart. Are you dead ass? Okay, please. Yo, did you see that? Look, come here. Thank God. I was literally about to chuck it. That'd be great. Sir, you sell any guns here? Sell guns here? Not some shit like that, like a fucking pop!
What is a pop? Like, what is that?
That's a pistol. Yeah. Like a real gun. No real guns? Filters is? The what?
I don't know. You talk to him?
Nah, I ain't talking to him. I'm talking to you. I was talking to you.
No, I'm not talking on the floor.
What?
I'm not talking on the floor.
Oh, actually, you got car oil here for Audi? You don't know. My fault, twin.
I'm over here looking at sour cookies.
Is that like some foreign, is that like some foreign shit though?
That looks like some fake shit, bro. Look at the ingredients.
What do you think ingredients?
Doctor gonna
God,
be
that
like,
got every single ingredient.
You're not reading it. That's like reading instructions.
No, it's not, bro.
Reading it.
That's what you're putting inside of your body.
You read that shit, Aki?
No, he does not read that shit.